Rwanda's Foreign Affairs Minister, Louise Mushikiwabo, met with members of the Rwandan diaspora in Addis-Ababa, Ethiopia last night. Minister Mushikiwabo spoke to the community on issues such as the recently released Mutsinzi report and its importance to the Rwandan community. Also, she spoke about the African Union Security Council, of which Rwanda is a member, and the upcoming African Development Bank elections in May, of which Dr. Donald Kaberuka is still the only candidate for the post. Minister Mushikiwabo thanked the Rwandan diaspora for their participation, and she called upon members of the community living in Ethiopia to continue to organize activities that bring them together and encourage them to maintain dialogue with their community back home in Rwanda. Mr. Jacques Mukwende, president of the diaspora in Ethiopia, spoke to the press on behalf of the Rwandan community. He explained that discussions with the minister centered around the presidential elections that are to take place this year, and how members were worried about the presidential hopeful Victoire Ingabire's remarks on double genocide. The minister explained that in the end, Rwandans will vote for the candidate that represents their wishes. The community also asked questions about Rwanda's joining the EAC and the Commonwealth and what this represents for Rwanda. One other pertinent issue that was raised by the community was the issue of money transfers to and from Rwanda, explaining that this still remains a major problem for them. Minister Mushikiwabo thanked members of the Rwandan diaspora for their continued efforts in organizing activities that brings together members of the Rwandan community here in Addis. Sylvia Gasana, Addis-Ababa, Ethiopia.